Hello everyone, I'm Saran. In this video, I will introduce you to the TRS4R3N Event Viewer script, which is a PowerShell script I wrote. If you are ready, let's get started. Perhaps this is a SOC prototype script that runs in the background while you use your computer. With this script, you can monitor both Sysmon and security events and be notified of cyber attacks targeting CPU, RAM, network. First, we'll take a look at control events. This module continuously monitors your Windows security logs and Sysmon events. It tracks failed logging attempts. Example, event ID 4625, account creations, privilege assignments, and more. Every event is timestamped and shows that detailed information, including the user IP address and affected resource. This gives you complete visibility of potentially suspicious activity. Next, get CPU usage monitors your processor in real time. It identifies which processes are consuming the most. CPU shows the process ID, parent process, memory chase usage, and command line. TRS4R3N alerts you when multiple instances of a process are running or CPU usage spikes, helping you quickly detect anomalies or performance issues. Get RAM usage tracks memory utilization continuously. It highlights the top memory hungry process along with parent process, command line, and instance count. Auto-logged in JSON for historical analysis. You can support unusual memory spikes or slow leaks that might indicate a problematic process or malicious activity. Get network anomalies monitors network traffic in real time. It tracks upload and download speeds, total network utilization, and flags unusual patterns. TRS4R3N can detect potential cryptojacking, excessive connections from single IPs, or unexpected network activity from processes using too much bandwidth. Finally, get disk usage gives you detailed insights into disk activity. It shows disk equivalents, write trackpads, and highlights processes causing high disk usage. The output is neatly formatted for quick analysis. This helps detect potential storage bottlenecks, excessive writers, or suspicious activity on your drive. With TRS4R3N Event Viewer, you get comprehensive real-time monitoring of your system, from critical events to resource usage and network anomalies. Keep your Windows system secure and optimize it with a single powerful tool. Thank you for watching. We hope this walkthrough of TRS4R3N Event Viewer helps you monitor your system effectively. Stay safe, stay informed, and see you next time.
Destroy us, we'll always be around. Loud sound, big missile jumping from the clouds. Watch your step in the storm.